Are you okay? Yes, very good. So, D4. Look, where is this place? Take a look around. Take a look around. Yes, there are trees, there are flowers, there's a truck. Yes, there's a house. Yes. Do you know where's this place? Do you know? We have animals in there. Yes. Do you know? Yes, we have this animal. Whee! We have this animal too. We have this animal too. Where's this place? Where is it? Yes, very good. It's a farm. Look, I'm in a farm. Yes. In the farm we have pigs, moo, cow. Yes. We have horse. We have ham. Yes. We have chick. Okay. Yes. So we have these animals in a farm. Only these animals? No. Some farms there are sheep. Yes. Some farms there is a rooster, galo, rooster. Yes. So in a farm you can have lots of animals. And it's so nice to be in a farm. Yes, é tão gostoso ficar numa fazenda. Have you been there? Você já foi para alguma farm, para alguma fazenda? Oh, it's delicious. Yes. So now, let's identify some animals. Vamos identificar alguns animals, farm animals. Let's do it with me. Yes? Okay, so let's do it. So help me, kids. Where's the horse? Where is the horse? Yes, here. Okay. Now tell me, where is the cow? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Yes, very good. Now tell me, where's the pig? Where's the pig? Where's the pig? Yes. Now, where's the ham? Where's the ham? Where's the ham? Yes, very good. Very nice. Now, where is the duck? Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, very good. Tell me, where's the goat? This is new for you. Where's the goat? No? Okay, it's here. Okay. Now, where's the rooster? Yes, there's a rooster. Cuckoo. Where's the rooster? Where's the rooster? Yes, very good. Now, where are the rabbits? Where are the rabbits? Yes. Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Yes, very good, very good. And where's the teacher? Ah, it's here. Okay, kids, very nice. So now let's repeat the names. Horse, cow, goat, rooster, ham, rabbit, duck, sheep, horse. Already, yes? Oh, pig. Yes, the pig. Yes, okay. And the ham. Yes, and the goat. Yes. Okay, kids, so now let's make an activity, okay? This activity, you have to find the other part. Tem que achar outra parte do body do animal, do corpinho do animal. You have half in here, tem metade aqui, and the other half in here. You have to match the parts of the body, okay? Kisses, love you.